Welcome to our channel. DIY used auto parts installation mistakes. Point 1. Not checking the part first. Before you touch a wrench, compare the old and new part. Line them and check every plug, hole, bracket. If it doesn't look identical, don't force it. That's mistake number 1. Point 2. Dirty mounting surface. You can't bolt new on top of old gunk. Clean it before scraping off the crust. Wipe it till it's metal again. Otherwise, it will leak, rattle, or just won't sit right. Point 3. Reusing old bolts. Old bolts stretch, gets rusted, and can cause problems. Replace them when you can. One weak bolt can ruin the whole installation. Point 4. No grease, no lube. Used parts are already worn. Dry installs just kill them faster. A dab of grease on seals or bearings makes a huge difference. It's cheap protection. Point 5. Wrong part fit. Same model doesn't mean same fit. Year, trim, transmission, everything matters. Check the part number. If it's off by one digit, walk away. Point 6. Loose or missing connectors. Every plug matters. People forget one sensor, then chase engine lights for days. Double check every connector before closing things up. Point 7. Over-tightening bolts. Tight isn't always right. If you crank too hard, chances are that it will break. Crank up to only manufacturer-specified torque value. Stop before it starts to creak. Point 8. Reusing old gaskets. Using old gasket means inviting new leaks. Don't even think about it. Always use a fresh one. It's a small thing but saves hours later. Point 9. No test fit. Bolt it in halfway, test it, spin it, power it, and then start the unit. Don't close the hood till you know it works. It will save you from ripping it all back apart. Looking for quality used auto parts? Call us at 888-752-4286 for reliable used engines and transmissions today. Point 10. Ignoring torque or marks. Those tiny marks and specks exist for a reason. If you ignore them, things can go out of hand. Torque it right by following the marks. It's not overkill, it's an essential practice. Thank you for watching.